Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether you can use Remitly on your smartphone. The short answer is yes, you can easily use Remitly on your smartphone. Remitly provides a dedicated mobile app designed specifically for both iOS and Android devices, allowing you to manage international money transfers directly from the palm of your hand. To get started on an iPhone or iPad, open the Apple App Store, search for Remitly, and download the app. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store, search for Remitly, and install it. Both versions of the app are free to download and use. Alternatively, if you prefer not to install an application, you do not have to. You can access Remitly directly through your smartphone's mobile web browser by visiting their official website. The mobile browser version offers nearly all of the same core functionalities as the dedicated app. Using Remitly on your smartphone provides full access to your account features. You can send money internationally to recipients in over 100 countries, track your active transfers in real time, and view your complete transfer history. You can also securely manage your profile settings, update your payment methods, and check current exchange rates and delivery fees instantly. Furthermore, smartphone functionality includes security features like biometric login, such as fingerprint scanning or facial recognition, depending on your device capabilities. This ensures your account remains protected without needing to enter your password every time you open the app. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.